Hi, my name is Boris Garbus, and I want to explain about the program Test on Fly. Test on Fly is one of the programs that possible to build automatically tests for measurement system. And if you want to know how it's possible to do this, you can go to the website. This is the address of the website, and here on the website you can see also how can install this program. This is a full free program, and there is no problem to install it. There is a step-by-step instruction for this one. Now let's start to show and build some tests with RS232. Let's choose directory. This is my directory that I usually work. Now I want to start something new test. This is old, what I don't need, to old information. I want to connect first of all ports, and I have 4 ports. I will connect it to different panel. I send it, and you see that there is a connection to the different port. Port A, panel A can have connection to port 1, port B have connection to port 2, and so on. And this is now I have connection to all ports. Well, next step, I want to see what I have connection, what connection I have to the different ports, and I want to write to see version for this old device that I have. I also send it. Now possible to see that I have 4 different cards, and I want also to add one more test. Okay, for this one you need to make copy test that you need to add and make paste, and after this maybe rename number. Now we have test number 3, and I want to send to all this card the same command that maybe give us possibility to see something. Now we can see that it's not necessary to send to port 1. There is no such command, and with port 3 this is also no such command, but on the other ports we have such information, information for this one. And I want to show that how we can build different tests. This thing that we need to build some tests with the help of RS232, and we need to get information for some measurements. Okay, now I built one test that I sent on port number 2 and port number 4. On the panel B and panel D I sent the A to D command, and I get what voltage I have on these cards. Okay, now I want, as usual, I want to get information, to gather information. For this one I need to use get and check value. Let's take information from voltage from the panel B. How I can do this? I need to choose what port I want, what panel I want, and I need to choose what information I want. This is port B. Okay. I will try. Oh, now you can see I have the value. The same situation, the same. I will build once more from port B, but I need to get something else. Okay, I hope I also get it, and so on. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 additional string. Wow. Okay, here will be information about voltage 3.3 volt. Here will be information about ring voltage. Here will be information about tip. And here one more information, tip and ring information and voltage, and this will be information in card. Okay. Wow, this it's not so good. I need to change it. Ring in voltage. I will need to get with the little bit difference. Okay. Well, here something wrong. Okay. Okay, now I have full information about this panel, and I want also to gather information from the panel D. What possible to find here? Maybe this one. Okay, I will put it. This is a panel D, and I will put information about another string. As usual, possible to use find after. This is information that you want to find. If you put it here, after this you can find it. D125 one. This is also D. Okay, let's build some else tests. Okay, now we need to information about 2.5 volts. We need information about 3.3 volts. We need information about 5 volts. We need information about temperature. Also is possible, not. Okay, now we have full information, and now we want to build the same test, a number of the same tests. How we can do this? First of all, we can take it test, make a copy, and make paths. Okay, I will build it. Okay, this is all. Now I rename it test, and I'm ready to start it test from the very beginning. The automation test is ready, and we can see how it's working. You can see that we have information about ATD test, and we gather it, and we do it some 3 times or 4 times. Okay, now this we have. Let's see what we can see in Excel. Okay, in Excel, let's give such name for Excel, and we try to trying to see what we have. Okay. Oh, we have this information about all tests. we can see that it's all is understandable. Here we have information about all tests. For example, we have information about 5 volts, this is the result. Have information about 3.3 volt, this is the result, and so on. Everything what was put on the table in test on fly, on the check and get value, here we get it. Okay. What I want to do, this is to make this test automatically, to build file with the automatical tests, to build file Excel that have information of this. Let's build one small test. Here is the possibility. Okay, I want to build test only on panel A here, and I want to save to Excel. Save to Excel. We need to find where we have such command. Here we have, and he gives information what we want to build. For example, test result. Test result. Okay, test result XLSX. This is what we want to be. Okay, now let's check how it's work. If we click here, there is only one information on the panel A, no information on another panel. We click and we check what the results we have. Now you can see that I built once more this test, and if you go to the result, here, let's go here. You can see that we build it, and you have all information about the temperature, also information. Okay, what else? Sometimes I want to use a number of information. For example, I want to build different programs, and I want to check these programs a number of times. Okay, let's do additional test. This will be additional test. On this additional test, I want to only say that I need to go back to test after when I finished it, and I want to say that please make 3 times such programs, do this 3 times. But now we rename all tests, and where is my test that I was saved in Excel? I don't see it. Okay, let's do it once more. Save to Excel. Result. But now we can this is a test that we can save Excel file, but I want to put here some variables. There is possibility to put any variables. We have variables where we can see information about this variable. We can see on the test builder here. You can see that variables number 1 have it's have result 1, and there is a plus additional. That means that on the next time it will be 2, 3, and so on. Okay. Okay, this is ready for testing. Let's start testing. Our testing, we can start it, and we can see that it was built here. No, why here? Oh, I understand where is my test. I will stop it and I will check once more. Here it was put on the test number 1. The test number 1 we need to connect to ports 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's start once more. Okay. This is information from all card. This is information. This is a command that I sent, A2G command, and I have 3 tests like this one, and I gather information of these tests, and I put it on the file, Excel file. Here you can see that yes, I have here the test result, and now it will be the second results. Now I have a test result number 2. I can open it, and I have all information I have. You can see that it's ready. Okay, we need to wait some. Oh, this is really result was done, and you can see that on the last test we have information that we need to do 3 loops, and you can see that you have these loops and you have information here. It's exactly in the same place when we want to put it. Okay, and all result, it's was built very quickly, and we can use it. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for your attention.